Clear, glowing skin is one of the most attractive features a person can have. It's a natural sign of health and vitality. However, many people struggle with acne and dull skin because of misinformation spread by the beauty industry. Instead of fixing the root cause, most advice pushes endless products and treatments that only mask the symptoms. Let's uncover the real reasons behind bad skin and how to achieve a naturally radiant complexion by focusing on what your body truly needs. Why do you have acne? Acne isn't random, it's a sign that something is wrong inside your body. Picture a perfectly healthy person. Their skin is clear because clear skin reflects internal health. Acne signals an imbalance, which could stem from poor gut health, hormonal disruptions, nutrient deficiencies, or chronic inflammation. The problem with most modern skincare and dermatology is that they target the surface symptoms rather than addressing these underlying issues. For instance, antibiotics or harsh creams might temporarily reduce breakouts, but they can damage your gut health and disrupt your hormones, leading to worse skin in the long run. To truly fix your skin, you need to heal from the inside out. Stop sabotaging your skin. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using too many skincare products. Check the label of your cleanser or moisturizer, and you'll likely see a list of chemicals you can't pronounce. Many of these, like parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, disrupt hormones and trigger inflammation. For example, these chemicals can mimic estrogen in the body, throwing off your hormonal balance. This can cause your skin to produce too much oil, clogging pores, and leading to breakouts. Instead of adding more products to your routine, focus on eliminating harmful ones and simplifying your skincare. What you actually need. Forget the complicated 10-step routines. You only need a few natural products to keep your skin clean, hydrated, and healthy. Cleanser. Use lukewarm filtered water or ice. This cleans your skin gently without stripping away its natural oils. Moisturizer. Replace commercial moisturizers with beef tallow. It's natural, free of chemicals, and packed with skin-nourishing vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Spot treatment. Apply honey to blemishes. Its antibacterial properties help your skin heal naturally. For deeper detoxification, try bentonite clay masks or sulfur creams. These pull out impurities, reduce oiliness, and leave your skin refreshed and balanced. Heal your gut for clearer skin. Your skin and gut are deeply connected, a relationship known as the gut-skin axis. If your gut is unhealthy due to inflammation, an imbalance of good and bad bacteria, or leaky gut, toxins can build up and escape through your skin, causing acne. To heal your gut, practice fasting. Give your digestive system time to repair itself and reduce inflammation. Chew your food thoroughly. Proper digestion starts in the mouth, helping your body absorb nutrients better. Eat probiotics. Include raw yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and bone broth in your diet to support healthy gut bacteria. Manage stress. Stress worsens gut health and inflames the body. Prioritize relaxation, time in nature, and quality sleep. Essential nutrients for healthy skin. Clear skin depends on the nutrients your body absorbs. Some of the most important include vitamin D3, found in sunlight, egg yolks, and cod liver oil. It strengthens the skin barrier and reduces inflammation. Zinc, present in oysters and beef, it controls oil production and speeds up healing. Vitamin A, found in liver and eggs, it regulates skin cell turnover and prevents clogged pores. Omega-3 fatty acids, these reduce inflammation and control oil production. Find them in wild-caught fish, fish oil, and pasture-raised meat. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and peppers, it boosts collagen production for firmer skin and faster healing. The bottom line. Acne is your body's way of telling you something is off. Instead of drowning your skin in products, shift your focus inward. Address your gut health, reduce stress, and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. Simplify your skincare with natural products and prioritize your overall health. With consistent effort, your skin will reflect the positive changes happening inside your body, leaving you not only more attractive but also healthier and more confident. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable self-improvement tips.